Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about how to create CRUD operation using using Java Spring Boot and React.js. First we need tools. One is we need the example for database, MySQL database. So we create the database here. You want to create database in the ID, email and name with worker 2025 and after check the database we have there are two data structures here. Last two data. That's it. And we need the VS Code. VS Code. Then we need the Spring Boot application for that. Spring Boot application for that. Spring Boot installation. Here we are going to download Java and Maven. What are you can select for your own data. Now I am choosing for Java Maven and Spring Boot version 4.0.6 and Java version is 21. Properties and jar war. We are going to publish the browser file, so we choose war. Now click on generate to then download the URL I have already downloaded and used here. Now check out the code. In form.xml we need to add dependencies like the REST API reference dependency, and this one is a database connection. This is a database ORM connection. This is a MySQL connection connector, and this is a Tomcat server connector. We need these three only. Many things are that they previously provided from the code itself. Now we can check out the code demo application. There's no changes in here. The default only service JSON. This provides the run using the repository function. It will first we have to check the repository function. First model all get considered provided here. ID, name and email. This is the object generated by the generated by the code. Now repository. First user repository. This is first of all user JP repository. JP repository means plugin for that. It is providing us ORM with user data. This is in Java model, and using that predefined functions. You can use the user repository as hardware. The repository to get save and find by ID and delete by ID. This primarily available in the JP repository, so we can use this function itself. This part of the plugin itself, so there is no need to do anything. And controller has the API uses a controller. You have to add get mapping, post mapping, or get method and post method. And this is for that only. We add all and update, delete. Add means add a user. All means add to all the users. Update means update the users. Delete means delete the user. Config. Yeah, this is for cars. Cross origin problem. Cross origin means the API is running in a different server, it's different URL, and front end will be running in a different URL. So we need to provide the allow origin to access from the outside the program. Now we can run the code and Java and React. In React we have provided. Well, first we have to get return the in this function. We have to return the form data like ID, place of email, your email, and in the table. We have to display the users in the table. First, we have to fetch all users, and set the data, set the user data in here, and set count. We don't use set count. We only set users. Set users and fill form. We have to fill the empty form too. When edit, we have to edit this fill form is handle. Okay, and handle delete. Delete means you have to delete the delete the code. Handle delete. Handle delete means here this delete the function and wait for the 5 seconds to fetch all the users. And this will be underscore save and update. After a save or update, you have to clear the form and fetch all users. Now you have to run the code. To run the code, we need to check the package of this. Run script is run down. Using this URL, we are going to access the API. This is all API is called first initial itself. So it is displayed here data, and we have to add a data and get answer decided, and it is called all API again to display to refresh the table, and we have to edit we will also edit the table. Delete working, and here update it will called update will called this updated, and you have to delete API. Delete API is called removed, so release it is deleted. And retrieve all data to see the record will be deleted. That's it. This, don't forget to see. That's it. I have provided the data that the contribution available, and don't don't forget to subscribe my channel and satheshsat channel. Please subscribe and click my bell icon to don't forget it. So then only you will get my you'll get my a videos also immediately. You can see it immediately. Until that, so in order to get database in the ID, the email and name is worker 2025, and after check the database, you have there are two data available in this here. Last two data. That's it.